how Jeffery Benson trades key psychological level in forex trading. So in this video, I'm going to review the technique in which Jeffery Benson uses to identify key psychological level in the forex chart. I'm also going to be showing you how he combines this psychological level to his trading strategy, and it's making him a lot of money. I'm a big fan of Jeffery Benson. I've watched a lot of his videos and I decided to come and share this with you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump into my chart. So guys, first of all, I want to show you guys what psychological level means first before I will show you how to draw this thing. What is actually psychological levels? So what is this psychological level and how does it affect our trade? So guys, looking at this now, what are psychological levels and how do they work? Psychological levels are market price levels, which are often key levels in forex, denoted by round numbers. These round numbers act as levels of support and resistance. As you can see also here, key levels in forex tend to draw attention to traders in the market. These are psychological prices which tie into the woman's psyche and way of thinking. So guys, what this implies is that in life, if you go to the market or you want to buy anything, so for instance now, let's say you want to buy something, let's say you want to buy a car and that car is 15 million naira, okay, and the dealer tells you that the price of this car is 15 million naira, but you want to price the car, let's say you have 13 million, you want to buy the car 13 million, so you're not going to price the car 12,996,000. You're obviously going to price it at 13 million. So we women, we tend to find a round figure in anything we are buying or we are selling. We tend to negotiate our price around these whole numbers. So that's what this psychological level means, and this thing also implies in forex trading. So that's why I'm going to jump into the chart and show you how Jeffrey analyzes or plots this key psychological level. So let's jump back in. So guys, looking at my chart now, so first of all, what we actually need to do on the chart is for us to come on the 4-hour time frame and start plotting our key levels. Okay, so I'm going to start by bringing my horizontal line and I'm going to look for a round figure where I can pinpoint and start plotting my psychological level. And in the round figure that I can see right now is 1.300, which is here, 1.300, 1.300, which is here, so you can see. So I'm just going to make sure that it's 1.300. I'm just going to come and edit the coordinates. Okay, so first one accomplished. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to clone these lines and I'll start giving it 50 pips distance. So I'm going to be giving it 50 pips distance. So for instance now I'm going to come here and I'm going to clone this, so I'm going to come and put it somewhere. Since this is 1.300, so I'm going to look for 1.950. That is our next coordinate, 1.2950. So after putting it, you have to come and bring your measure to check if it's actually 50 pips away. As you can see, it's 50 pips away. Clone. If you clone, then bring it down. The next point is going to be 1.2900. 1.2900. 900. Okay, that's the next point. So make sure that the distance between these lines are 50 pips away, and you don't need to plot all these key levels on your whole chart. Just implement and identify these key levels in your current market price where the chart is currently at. So as you can see now, this is where the chart is. You don't need to fool the psychological level all over your chart. Just put it where the price is at currently. So you can see this is where it's at currently. So guys, after doing this now, Jeffery Benson, he checks the major trend for 4 hours. Currently this is actually a downtrend for 4 hours. So it checks his immediate trend, which is the current trend of the chart from 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I just inputted my 1 hour time frame. So before it does that, come over to this side and pick a trend line and just draw a trend line. So guys, it draws a trend line in 1 hour time frame. Okay, it checks the immediate trend on the 1 hour time frame. So guys, if you are looking at this chart now, you can see that it's typically easy for you to predict where the market is obviously going. As you can see, when the price go here, as you can see in this 1 hour time frame, you saw this rejection from the psychological level. This is already giving you a sign that the market is selling and you're going to sell, and it's going to come all the way down. Okay, as you can see, you see this also rejection from the market. Now you all know that the third bounce from a trend line creates another opportunity for you to enter. As you can see, this is the first touch, and this is the second touch, and this is the third touch. So if you combine psychological level and with your trend line, you are going to be making money with this. If you combine this psychological level with your strategy, which is price action and trend line, you're going to be making money. So looking at my chart right now, as you can see, this third touch here, the market started falling massive. So imagine you enter this trade from here and put your take profit from here, which is 100% retracement. You will make your money, you know. So that's it, and this is the fourth touch. So looking at this fourth touch now, people that trade like Jeffrey will be looking to short from here. Obviously, I trade like Jeffrey sometimes, not always. I'm not a scalper, I'm a swing trader, but this strategy is actually making me money if you want to make a quick bucks and get out of the market. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, this is the current price. The price is obviously like going up. The price has already finished trending upwards. And as you can see from our trend line touches, this is like the first touch. This is like a clear down trend. But before I actually look at this very well, let me go to 15 minutes, because it takes its trade from 15 minutes time frame. So if you're actually like smart and you understand trading very much, you know that this is like double bottom. Once you see this double bottom, this is like Jeffery Benson usually use this strategy. This double bottom right now is actually a price action. If you combine this price action with this psychological level, we are going to understand what is happening. So if you see this double bottom, you obviously know that the price is obviously going to trace back to the trend line. So this is how Jeffery Benson enters his trade, probably here or somewhere here when price breaks this psychological level right now. So guys, looking at this now, this is obviously a double top right now and is reacting to our trend line. Obviously, this is a no-brainer trade. This is obviously a sell according to this strategy using this psychological level. But we have to wait to see what the market is doing. So if the market obviously like break this trend line and retest on top, obviously you're going to buy this trade. So the two things are actually going to happen here. Is either this trend line sustains, which is this market is going to sell massively downward, or the market breaks this trend line and retest on top. Obviously, you know that the trend has changed and the market is going upward. So for you all don't know, Jeffery Benson usually enters this trade from 15 minutes. He analyzes his major trend from 4 hours, checks the immediate trend, the current trend in 1 hour, and places his trade in 15 minutes. It's actually a no-brainer. Looking at this now, this is actually a sell. So let me go back to 1 hour. So you can see this is obviously a sell. So guys, looking at this now, as you can see right now, you see that it's obviously very easy to predict this market, to enter sniper entry. Look at from here now, so you can see enter buy right now, and this trade is going to take you all here. Okay, look at this also. This is obviously a manipulation. Enter this trade from here. After you saw this manipulation, you can enter this trade and make a quick box. You know, this strategy actually works for scalpers and day traders. If you're a swing trader, obviously this is not going to come in handy. So guys, as you also can see here, as you are seeing this rejection here, as you are seeing this weak rejection from here, obviously this is signaling buy. You're going to buy this trade from here and it's going to rally up to this place. And also look at this retest on this psychological level, and the market started selling massively, obviously. So guys, it's actually no brainer. Combine this forex strategy with your price action or with any strategy that you use you're going to be making money. This is one of the strategies that Jeffery Benson is using to make a lot of money to buy Lamborghini. So guys, I'm also implementing this strategy. So today is actually like Saturday. I'm going to release this video on Monday, 12th of August. Anytime that you're watching this video, you can go and check it out. You can go back to your chart and check this exact trade that I analyzed. So this is obviously going to come down. Everything is pointing towards down, but you know, the market is crazy. You can obviously break this trend line and obviously go up. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, because I'm going to be dropping video every week. Just stay updated. Make sure to join my Telegram group where I share updates like this trade. Now I'm going to share this trade out in my Telegram group. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.